Hello, we are at 1053 Bush and this is apartment 9. Right when you come in the front door of the unit, got an entry hallway here, and the first room on your right is a lovely updated bathroom, shower over tub, have a window there for ventilation, black and white tile detail in the shower surround, and also black and white tile floor, pedestal sink, got a mirrored medicine chest that opens up with a few shelves inside. Okay, towel bar. All right, and then continuing down the hallway, come to the kitchen. Has a matching black and white tile floor in here, black granite countertops, have a gas stove and a fridge and plenty of lovely wood cabinets. Okay, a little additional storage there. Apartment 9 is located on the 3rd floor out of 5, and we are in a building with 19 residential units and 2 commercial units. Our commercial units are a shoe repair shop and a dry cleaner. All right, got a linen closet here in the hallway. Here we come to the bedroom. Has lovely molded plaster detail here on the ceiling. This window is facing south, so it gets nice light. Double closet with mirrored closet doors. And we've got French doors here that open up to the living room if you'd like. And at this unit, the rent includes steam heat. So there's the radiator for the bedroom, and you'll see that there's another radiator here in the living room. All right, coming into the living room first, I want to show you that it has this enormous walk-in closet. Some people have even made this a tiny work area. Okay, there's outlet. Here we are in the living room. Also has that beautiful ceiling detail. There's the radiator for this room. And again, the French doors between the bedroom and the living room could be open or closed as you prefer. These windows here are facing north. We're right on Bush Street between Jones and Leavenworth. Okay, and fire escape accessible here out of the living room windows. Cable here on the floor is for Xfinity in this building for whatever cable or internet option you want to get from them. This building also does have 2 washers, 2 dryers, shared laundry down on the ground level, and there's also a beautiful garden. I've included those photos in the ad. Okay, thanks so much for watching. And again, we've been at 1053 Bush, and this is apartment 9.